Have you ever felt like God has gone quiet? You've prayed, you've waited, you've believed with all your heart, and still, nothing has changed. In those silent moments, the questions start creeping in. Did God forget about me? Did I hear him wrong? What if his promises weren't actually meant for me? If that's you today, I want to remind you of one powerful truth that never, ever changes. God never fails on his promises. Not once, not ever. The Bible doesn't just say that God keeps his promises, it says he cannot lie. Numbers 23:19 puts it this way: God is not a man that he should lie. Has he said, and will he not do it? Think about that. People might fail us. Our circumstances can change in an instant, but God's very nature is faithfulness. He is constant and unchanging. If God promised you something, the passing of time cannot cancel it. A delay cannot destroy it. And his silence does not mean it's gone. His word is final. One of the most repeated promises in the entire Bible is this: God will never leave you. Deuteronomy 31:6 encourages us, be strong and courageous, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you, even when you feel completely alone. Even when you can't feel God emotionally. His presence isn't based on your feelings. It's a fact. If you are still breathing today, that is proof that he is still with you. His presence is your anchor in the storm. God also promises to take care of all your needs. Philippians 4:19 says, and my God will supply all your needs according to his riches in glory. Now, notice it says needs, not always wants. God doesn't promise us a life of total ease, he promises provision. He promises to give us what we need to get through. There might be moments where things look tight, where you're not sure how you'll make it. But remember, God has never run out of resources. He may not show up early by our standards, but he is never, ever late. And what about one of the most quoted promises, Jeremiah 29:11? For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. But here's the part we often forget. That incredible promise was given to people who were in captivity. They were living in a foreign land. Their situation looked completely hopeless. This means God's plan was at work even when their circumstances screamed otherwise. Your current season, no matter how difficult, does not cancel God's future promise for your life. This is why waiting is so important. Isaiah 40:31 tells us, but those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. Waiting doesn't mean God is ignoring you. It means he's preparing you. He's building your character, deepening your faith, and getting you ready for what he has in store. Sometimes God fulfills his promise by changing the situation around you. Other times, he fulfills it by strengthening you to get through the situation. Either way, he is always faithful. He is always working. So if God made you a promise, please hear this today. He has not forgotten it. He has not forgotten you. If you're still waiting, it is not because he has failed, it is simply because your story isn't finished yet. Hold on. Trust him. God has never broken a single promise in the history of the world, and he is not going to start with yours. If this message encouraged you today, please leave a like. It really helps this channel reach more people who need to hear a message of hope. Comment amen down below if you are standing on God's promises right now. And don't forget to click that bell icon and subscribe so you don't miss any more faith-filled messages like this one. Thanks for watching.